Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussion is beginner for Python. We try to discuss matplotlib, okay, matplotlib grid. Python matplotlib grid. How to add grid in the Python plots. So this is very simple. At first you will go to in here and you will write plot dot grid and you can write color equals to red. Okay, so I write it in here. Okay, color red. So click. So what we see color red. Okay, we see this color, we see grid. Okay, so now I can make it in a lot of way. I can write with line with in style. Okay, line style equals to line style equals to 2. Okay, so it is better 0.5 if I just change for the better looking. So I can see. So this is my grid. Okay, so grid is like this. So now you can see that if I write axis x. Okay, let's look. If I write color date, now I write axis equals to x. Yeah, so what can I see? You can check that what kind of line will grow. You see, this way you get this way. So the so what happens, the lines are a lot thinner, they are dashed. So the lines are, you see, lines are a lot thinner, they are dashed. So we can see that you know the points. Okay, know the points. How you can simply have the grid so that it's not vertical and horizontal. So if you just want it, one axis, the way that you do that very simply is you are just typing axis. Okay, axis. Suppose I write in here x you can write in here y. Then you will say what axis you want. So let's say y axis. Okay, let's say y axis. We will return this, and notice now there is okay, now notice now there is only lines on the y axis, and similarly if you want to do x axis, you want to the x axis, I have already show it to you. Okay, I have already show it to you. So thanks for watching. I hope I can clear this total concept.